Hello, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you how to make pork enchiladas. When I lived in Denver, I used to go to the Riviera Country Club, a hole-in-the-wall restaurant in Glendale that served great Mexican food with pitchers of good margaritas for cheap. That is where I discovered green chilies and enchiladas. Remember to subscribe and like if you want to see more of my recipes. I like to have everything cut up and ready. Let me finish cutting up this large onion because you're going to need some extra for on top. This can actually be a little coarse because I like onion. So I've got my oven is preheating to 350. I've got a pan all ready to rock and roll, so everything is set up and ready to go. I've got my tortilla shells. I use the grande large flour tortillas. I'm going to smear them with some refried beans to start. Now I'm going to add the onion. Got some nice pickled jalapenos. I use the hot ones. You can use mild if you'd rather. And I got my grated cheese. This is a Colby Jack. You can use cheddar if you'd rather. See, by having everything all cut up and ready to go, how much faster and easier this is. It really is a time saver. Plus that way you make sure you have everything. I'm going to top with the pulled pork. I wrap a pork butt in aluminum foil and cook in the oven 250 for about 12 hours. That just gives you a nice kind of pull apart pork. Get enough on here. Smells really good. Oven's ready. So now what we're going to do is we're going to wrap these tortillas up. We're going to wrap them like as tight as you can. One of the tricks I've learned is to kind of pick it up and kind of roll it a little bit. Get an edge here, make sure everything's still in place. Nice tight roll. Grab my pan. Place the first one in. I'm going to place the end of the fold up against the side of the pan. Roll it. Go up to an edge. Okay, it's been almost 25 minutes. I think I figured it'd be about 23 minutes. And the tortillas are looking right. We've got them a little brown. Let me show you right here. As you can see, the edges are just a little brown and they've definitely crisped up. And you can see that they're moving freely in the pan. If you don't cook them long enough, the shells can get a little mushy and they might stick together. But I mean, these are definitely ready. Now I'm gonna put my green enchilada sauce on them. Try very delicately to cover up as much as I can. These will go back in the oven for about 20 minutes just to heat everything through. I prefer to use the Hatch's green chili enchilada sauce. I just like Hatch green chilies. I think it makes a great cover enchilada sauce for it. And after they're done in the oven, when I serve them, I'm gonna put a little chimichurri on mine, a little sour cream, and a little raw onion. I think maybe a Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand would make a great meal with this. And back in the oven it goes, and hope you enjoy it.